there's so much in there from a marketing standpoint, and when someone tells me, yeah, they're coming up with a new web page, like, okay, that's like kindergarten. And actually it doesn't really help you because you need to know what your keywords are. You need, you need to create content. What's important to the search engines is, when people search for something,
That's
right? We decided, hey, the people who are searching are going to be, purchasing people or engineers who need something, right? So we actually went from, we had 600 or 700 keywords, because the prior person who was running this, his idea was to throw a wide net. Well, we learned that was the opposite of what we should be doing. So that made our quality scores suck, right? So what we did is we actually curtailed it all the way down to the 100 most important keywords, right? And then we started focusing on building those up. Now we're back up to about 200 keywords. Of the 200 keywords, for basically for free search, for generic, we're in the top 3 on 97 on Google and on like 120 on Bing. So these are all KPIs which we track. But it's really there's a whole formula there which we've kind of developed, and we've talked with a lot of people, and we're always trying to learn and improve that process.